Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Caroline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I feel like with the end of the year coming around, wrapping up 2023, I feel like this is the perfect time to show you guys basically all of my favorite hairstyling products and tools for customizing, styling my wig. But yeah, with that said, let's get right into today's video.
Bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
The beautiful wig that I am rocking in today's video was sent to me by Ashimary Hair Company. This is a 30-inch loose deep wave 13x4 frontal, and it's in its fullest density, 250% density. This wig does come pre-dyed in this reddish brown auburn color, but it does not have the knots pre-plucked or pre-bleached. It came with a really thick frontal that I did all the customization myself, so keep that in mind. With that said, let's get into today's video. Starting off with this Ion Color Flash Level 10 Charcoal Bleaching Powder. I've been trying a lot of different bleaching powders because I felt like my bleach wasn't hitting all my knots effectively, and this one, hands down, does the job perfectly. This bleaching powder is so effective, it's even able to remove the knots on some of my red wigs. I used it on this wig, and it was able to lighten the knots enough for it to be noticeable. Besides it being really effective, I really enjoy the formulation of this product. I feel like it doesn't get runny. Like, I sometimes will pour too much conditioner, developer, and it won't run and bleed into the hairline, and it doesn't like dust and get in your nose, and like it doesn't feel as harsh as most bleaching powder. It is on the more pricier side versus your standard Carol BW bleaching powder, but if you're someone who's trying to invest and like really like level up your not bleaching game to get that scalp look, this is something worth putting your money into. This Garnier Fructis Whole Blend Honey Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner is my favorite for like washing all of my wigs. Sometimes I use it when washing my own natural hair. Not only are they both really affordable, but my favorite is the conditioner because I love to just use it sometimes to help just revive really dry hair. Or for example, for this wig, after I finished customizing and bleaching it, it was really stripped and dry. I just like to let the hair sit and soak in the conditioner like overnight, come back the next day, wash it out, and your hair will just feel so much more moisturized and soft. To really keep that moisturization cycle going, I love going in with this silicone mixed leave-in conditioner after I've washed out the Garnier conditioner. This is like a leave-in, so it goes in with towel dried hair. So once the hair is like a little bit towel dry, I go in with this leave-in conditioner, soak it up, and just let it sit in there, let the hair fully air dry. This stuff, it just like, I don't know, it like coats your hair with a silicone type of mixture, which one helps protect your hair from like heat damage and getting like frayed over like the time of using it, and it like also just like coats it with like a layer of silicone, so it's like nice and smooth and sleek. When it comes to what I love to use to install my wigs, I am an EBIN lace spray baddie till I die, okay? I used to be got to be no longer. I don't use any glues or anything, but this EBIN lace spray, especially this blue can, might as well be a glue. The way it really keeps my wigs held down, but at the same time, it comes off easily with just some water. But I sometimes can't just pull my wig off like I want to. I have to like hop in the shower with this and like get the wig wet and then take it off. But that's honestly how you should be taking off your wigs anyways. Don't be a barbarian like me and just trying to snatch it off, because how you snatch your edges off. But that's also why I really like this blue can in particular, because it has biotin and keratin and vitamin E, has like a lot of great nutrients that I feel like have been low-key helping my edges grow back each time I use it. And finally, my last reason I love this product is out of all the wig sprays I've tried, this one I feel like has the least amount of residue or causing of white cast. Once my lace has been sprayed and laid down, I actually like to go in with an elastic band and hold and lay it down, but not just any elastic band. I've gone back to using these old school type elastic bands that you usually get from like the sewing section that go in the elastic band of clothing. I prefer these versus the new versions that we get a lot of the time in our wig, like our wig packaging. I don't like these. I feel like they stick to my wig a lot more, and I'm taking off my elastic band, and then all that hard work I've done is ruined because my wig is lifting. These bands, I feel like they don't lift at all. It doesn't stick to your lace, anything like that. And I can just get me a nice big pack for $5 and cut as much as I need, and it lasts me quite a long time. Let's get into my favorite styling products. Starting off with this BIOSILK Silk Therapy Serum. I feel like it's a very lightweight serum that I can put before I start styling my hair. It's great for being a heat protectant, and two, it helps smooths and add shine to the hair without giving a greasy look overall. I usually just put my hair in two sections and put a squirt on one side and a squirt on the other side, because you don't need too much, because if you do use too much, it becomes heavy and it will start to be greasy. But that's honestly any serum. This next product, this is the SILKENING from the FEMME collection or something. This is the only product you can't get on Amazon. I actually found this on TikTok Shop. but it's from Clifford. He's this big hairstylist and he has his own website. This Silkening Mist is one of my favorite products for styling, for straightening my hair, curling my hair. I spray it onto the hair and brush it out, and then I like to use it for curling because one, it helps helps the hair hold a really good curl, and it's bomb for straightening. Something about it, it holds that straight. So you're trying to like straighten your hair, you don't want your hair to get big and frizzy or like revert back because maybe your hair doesn't stay straight often. This is a great product to use. I just wanted to include it even though it's not available on Amazon. I just love it so much. I feel like guys should definitely give it a shot. Can get into my favorite styling tools, my favorite styling hot tools. First is this hot comb that I got from Amazon. I don't have too many requirements when it comes to a hot comb. I just require two things. One, you get all the way hot to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, because for a nice pressed look, I need my hot comb to be ripping hot, and the highest I've seen in the market is 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so this one goes exactly up to that. And two, you have to have adjustable settings for me to be able to adjust the heat, because some hair actually can't handle that 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the next thing you know, you're melting the lace, because some lace is actually very temperature sensitive. I've literally ripped holes in my lace with my old hot comb that didn't have any temperature settings. It just got really hot. It would melt my hair all the time. And this one is pink, so that gets like a bonus. That's why it's my favorite out of all my other ones, because it's pink. A tool that I thought was not going to be worth the hype, but actually was worth the hype, is this Revlon round brush blow dryer. I use this for not just like round brushed hairstyles. I also love using this to help flatten the top of my hair and to make everything look nice and sleek and just shape my hair out. I love using this product to also just help blow dry my hair. A lot of the times it works really great when your hair is slightly damp, not wet, but like damp, like towel dry to a little bit dry. It works really great like that. So sometimes I'll wet in my hair if my hair is already dry a little bit, like right here I'm just misting it with some water, because I feel like it works when it's dry, but it works a lot better and your hair doesn't get as fried as much if it's a little bit damp. Sometimes too, I just use it to help quickly straighten the hair a little bit. If it's like a loose wave or a wavy hair that I want to just take away the texture and make it a little bit straight, it's a great tool for just blow drying your hair. I even use this on my natural hair as well. Overall, 10 out of 10, and it's only $25. Do not pay the full $60. It's $25 on Amazon. Sometimes Target has a deal. It's always like under $30 if you look for a deal. And finally, my last but not my least favorite product is this Hot Tools 1.5-inch curling barrel iron. I feel like I've never been really good at curling my hair, especially with a curling iron with a barrel and a tong like this one. But this one, something about the design and everything, it just made curling my hair a lot easier. I actually learned how to curl my hair with this tool. I like it too because of its 1.5-inch size. It's really big, so I can hold a lot of hair. Even though this hair was 30 inches, super thick and super long, it didn't take me too long to curl through the hair. I'm really impatient, so I don't like doing small curls because I don't like having to make lots of small sections. I like this hot tool because I can put as much hair as I want. It's still gonna have enough heat to curl everything, and it gives me really nice loose curls that look effortless but also look like I did something. Get into these curls. Okay, this curling iron, I'm reaching for it every single time. I think I even used it a lot of times in my videos this year that I had to kind of switch to another tool. And I really like this as well because it has adjustable temperature settings. A lot of curling irons sometimes would not have actual adjustable settings, just like high and low. I feel like different hair textures and different like colors need different amount of heat. So I really appreciate that I can like control how much heat is needed for my hair. But yeah, and that is basically it for my favorite products for styling my wigs for 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you just, sitting down and listen to me talk. It's always a vibe with y'all. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, lucky for you, because this is the time for a giveaway. I'm calling this a Caroline Christmas. I love the holidays. 'Tis the season to give, and I really want to just give back to y'all because I wouldn't really be doing what I'm doing if y'all weren't watching what you're watching. Me. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Well, I'll be including the products that you see in this video. And for a chance to win a giveaway, all you have to do is 1, be subscribed to me. 2, you have to just comment something, anything, like interact with this video, like. And I can tell if you like the video, I can tell if you commented. So you have to comment, like, and be subscribed, and I'm just gonna pick one random person to win the stuff I mentioned in today's video. So yeah, I've actually been doing a lot of giveaways too in like this whole month. Like I have like on my other, like I've posted 2 vlogs already that I did giveaways on. I plan on doing basically giveaways. My goal is to be doing a giveaway every video. But if I don't, still comment on the video because I'm going to be doing one big giveaway for someone that's commented on all of my videos that I posted in December. So, yeah. All the details, I hopefully will write that down in the description box because I'm sure I don't know if that makes sense. by saying it, but I'm going to write all the details in that in the description box in case you need me to reiterate it. So yeah, with that said, that is the end of today's video. I hope to see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, especially when I win that giveaway. And I'll see you guys in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.